Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best race cheats for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first week is called Latchkey, moving theme to Face ID, Lock, Cliff. Next week is called Multipla. Power to your dock. This like iOS is bland limited, provides but 4 apps for you to launch. This changes that by bringing widgets and the option of more apps to your dock, all in a power efficient, stable way. It remains the stock iOS feel while incorporating widgets featuring important information and controls. This is called D&D My Recording, so enables Do Not Disturb when a screen recording is initiated. So after the recording ends, the D&D is returned to the state it was beforehand. So it's really weird because I use this tweak and it does put Do Not Disable. So like when you record, it automatically enables Do Not Disturb for you. So like you won't get disturbed with notifications, calls, whatever, etc. And it says right here that it's supposed to, return to the state it was beforehand. So after record, what it's supposed to do is after the recording ends, it turns off Do Not Disturb, or if you had Do Not Disturb already, it keeps it on. So that's basically what it does, but it does not. As in, it works like when you screen record, it puts Do Not Disturb on, but when you're done with screen recording, Do Not Disturb stays on for some reason. You have to manually turn it off, which is kind of annoying. But I mean, yeah, if it did work, that'd be amazing. But it does work, I guess, halfway. Next week is called Switcher Style Pro. Come out with iOS 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Customize Switcher style like iPad. You can change the display style of applications in the background to a new and elegant mesh appearance. And that's what it looks like. Next week is called Color Switch. Come out with iOS 10, 11, 12, and 13, and 14. Customize the colors of the enable and disable keys. Tweaks function that customizes the color of the activation and deactivation buttons. Next week is called Copic for WhatsApp. Copic for WhatsApp brings the ability to display your contact photos on WhatsApp. This is called Keyboard Color. Customize the keyboard colors. This is called Never Lower Music. And I don't really know how to read that. I think it's Russian. I think it's Russian. But I think what it does is that it doesn't lower the music. I don't know. Next is called Social Composer, quick and efficient way to use your social media or social skills. So you quickly write messages or mails quickly without needing to go inside the app itself. Quickly tweet, share, or post any photo from anywhere on your device. Design your own grabber and view position. Change the order of the apps in your view. Next is called Apps Hats and hats for most apps from the App Store. Enable VIP or Premium and many apps from the App Store easily and quickly. There's no changelog. This is called Carry Crack Global. Is also one for iOS 13, but version 1.0.2 is iOS 14 only. Other ones for iOS 11, 12. No, yeah, iOS, I think, 11, 12, and 13. And I think the other one might support iOS 14 as well. But this one's iOS 14 only. So right now it's still being updated. So it did add AT&T support. So right now these are only supported 2 carriers. If your carrier is not there, like you have Verizon, or if you have, Sprint and T-Mobile collabed, so I'm not really sure if that's supported because I have Sprint, but T-Mobile and Sprint are collabed, like I said. So I'm not sure about that. But if you have Verizon, you gotta wait for it to be added. Next is called Keep It Simple, single list of notifications. So, as I guess instead of having notifications grouped by their apps, it basically puts all the notifications together and under one list. This feature is called Safari Plus, and basically gives you Safari features, your privacy features, uploads and downloads features, usability, actions, gestures, customization. Supports iOS 8 to 14.4. This feature is called Safari Plus Syphilis. Same exact thing. I really don't know what the difference is, to be honest with you. They have the exact same features, exact same updates for the most part. I don't know what the difference is. Next is called eSIM Plus and allows you to switch between what SIM you want to use when you call or text people. Next is called App Store Plus Plus, allows you to downgrade or upgrade apps in the App Store, block updates, bypass 200 megabyte down limit, disable search ads, and disable app thinning. Supports iOS 11 to 14.5. The latest change dropped NS Distributed Notification Center to fix LAD system-wide. This change may fix the black camera bug and some crashes. For those who are experiencing these bugs, please let me know. Next is called Quick LS, makes your lock screen even more speedier. This is called Latus Limitless Keyboard Customization. This is called Flits for All, iPad key flits on iPhone iOS 13. This is called Swipe Extender Ets. Brings back to life in your keyboard with this tweak. It's fully remake of legendary swipe expander. So it comes with pre-made settings for device like these default settings. So you can perform any of these actions. Next feature is called Atson. It's a priority hub for iOS 11 and 12 and 13. Next feature is called Enchant. Enhances your notifications. So you have these features right here. Next feature is called Anim Plus. Speeds up slow animations on iOS 14 or in iOS 13. Next feature is called Simple Time. Modify the appearance of the lock screen, date, and time. Next feature is called Spot Better. Makes the spotlight search better. Clear search query. Query on dismiss, disable action cards, pin specified apps. Next feature is called Switch Confirm. Confirm before switching apps. So if you open up apps by accident, this allows you to confirm that before actually opening up the app. Next feature is called Chroma Homebar Ets and Razer Chroma inspired Homebar coloring tweak for iPhone Ets, also worth with little Ets. Next feature is called Intelligent Pass 3 and disable the passcode when not needed. Next feature is called Unfold. Unfold adds a smooth folding animation to your iPhone's lock screen. Next feature is called Tweak Restrictor, and it blocks tweets in certain apps. So it does support the Unc0ver version 6.0. Next feature is called Miriam. Adds support for iOS 12 and iOS 14. Customize your phone forever. Next feature is called What to Do Tools. Library for What to Do and WhatsApp tweets. Next feature is called Power Module. Group different utility actions into one control center module. I think it does support iOS 14, or it does work on iOS 14. Next feature is called Power Menu Block. Block your power menu to preserve your jailbreak. You guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.